Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be working on a 2018 Honda Civic 1.5 liter. We're going to be replacing the air filter in the car. So let's get to work. Alright, so the air filter for the car is underneath the hood. There is a hood latch here. Right underneath this area, you will flip the switch. It is on the bottom here. So you flip the switch and you open your hood here. There's the hood prop popped in. Now here is where the air box is. Let me bring you guys up close. All right guys, so this here is your air box. It's held down with 4 8mm screws right here. So all we have to do is undo this, take the old filter out and put the new one in. So let's get to doing that. So the 8mm screws are right here. You can also do it with a Phillips screwdriver, but easier with 8mm socket. Alright, so the 4 screws are undone. I'll just bring you closer so that you can take a look at where the screws are. So here it is. 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. Alright, so all you do is pop it off like this. Underneath is the old filter. As you can see, all you do is just pull up and the old filter comes out. Now we'll do a comparative between this old filter and the new filter. Alright guys, so this side is the new air filter and this side is the old air filter. If you take a look at the underside here, you can really tell the difference between what's clean and what's not. You can see this one has already been a little bit darkened, so it's absorbed a lot of the old, dirt and debris that's in the air. And you don't want any of this stuff in your engine, so it's good to always replace your air filter. Usually recommendation is pretty much once a year to replace your air filter. Depends on how dirty it is, but you always take a look at it by taking it out and taking a look. But let's get to putting this one in. Just like that, and then now you just bolt everything back on. There you go guys, that's how you would replace an air filter in a 2018 Honda Civic 1.5 liter. Pretty straightforward process. 4 bolts and then pop out, pop in. Simple. Anyways guys, I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.